Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to Snapchat's newest feature called Spotlight. Spotlight is Snapchat's version of TikTok, where creators can make videos up to 60 seconds that show up in a feed within the app. To incentivize creators from the start, Snapchat is paying top viewed videos made by creators 16 and older from a fund of $1 million every day through the end of 2020. I'll go over how to get the Spotlight feature and then also how to make spotlights so you can start earning that money. Let's get started. So to get spotlights on your Snapchat app, you need to make sure that it's updated. Go to the App Store on your phone and then click your profile icon in the corner. Scroll down. If there's an update button next to the Snapchat symbol, then just make sure to click that. So from there, let's head over to Snapchat. The tab all the way to the right is the Spotlight Reels. This is similar to TikTok or Reels, where there is a feed of vertical videos, and you'll notice that there are no comments at all. There's not a comment section on any of the videos. There's a like button. You can like videos, but there are no numbers associated with likes either. Most videos will also have hashtags at the bottom, and you can click those hashtags to see other content with that hashtag. So in terms of actually making your spotlights, all spotlight videos must be 60 seconds or less. And there are two main ways you can make a video spotlight in the app itself. The first way is using the timeline feature. So it's this timeline button. You'll notice that there's a bar now at the bottom of the screen, and that's because you can record multi-segment videos using the timeline. So make sure that's on. This is similar to TikTok's recording feature, where you can hit record and it'll record a little bit. You can stop, do something else, change the view, and then keep recording. This enables you to record different segments of video, and then you can compile them into one video for a spotlight. You can also use the effects on these videos just by clicking the effects tab and then recording with that effect. And then you can also add sounds while you're recording. So just click add a sound. There's a library of sounds you can use, and they're all here. You can even create your own sound by hitting record and just talking or playing music in the background. And then you can edit your sound, make it public even, save the sound. So definitely a lot more sound features than some other apps. To choose one of the songs listed here, you can just click it. You can choose your segment and then record with it. If you do add a sound while you're recording, it will play in the background as you record. Once you're happy with your different segments, you can click the check mark, and then this is where you can actually edit the different segments. So as you can see, since I had added a sound to my recording, it shows up in this, there's this little box that shows up, and you can't delete that. If you delete it, it'll just get rid of the sound. But you can move it around on the screen. And then to edit different segments of the video that you recorded, just click these segments and they will pop up individually, play over and over, and then you can use these bars at the end to trim them down and click different ones to do the same thing. Now, also, if you do add a sound using the in-app features, you can't select what part of the sound you want to use, and it'll also just play through the whole video. Then you have all of Snapchat's regular editing features. You can add text, you can add doodles, you can add stickers, and even make your own stickers, links, and then obviously music, and then even crop specific segments and also loop them. So once you are done with your editing process down here, you can click send to, and then at the top there will be this spotlight feature. So just click that, and then you'll be able to add your hashtags. So I'm just gonna click test, whatever, you can add as many as you want. If you don't see that spotlight button, that means that whatever you made in Snapchat is not able to be posted to spotlights. And that can be a little frustrating, but if you did make something that you want to post to spotlights and it's not letting you, just keep watching and I'll cover that in the next part of this video. Once you're happy with everything, just click send, and then it will load a little bit and it should be posted eventually, and you can see your spotlight under your profile. So that's the first option to make a spotlight video. The other option you have is to choose a video from your camera roll. So you can only choose one video from your camera roll. To add that video, you can click the icon on the left and you'll be taken to your camera roll or other snaps and stories that you made. Click the video that you want to use, and then click the top right corner, those 3 dots, and click edit video. So you can see that it brings the video you chose into the editor. You have all the options again on the side, and you can trim the video down, add your other elements on the side, and then click the next and click spotlights, add your hashtags again. Spotlights also only allows you to submit every 3 minutes. So since I just submitted something, it's not gonna let me submit until 3 minutes has passed. So one pretty crucial thing that you can't do with Snapchat's spotlight feature is mix and edit multiple videos and images together. And this is a commonly done thing on other apps like TikTok and Reels. Another thing you can't do is add any music you want. My recommendation for doing this is using Kapwing, which is a completely online video editor. You can edit also images and GIFs inside it, and it works on any device from computers to mobile phones and tablets. So just click the first link in the description to get to Kapwing, and then you can just start a new project. To add multiple videos and images, I recommend going to the Scenes tab in the toolbar up above, and then you can click to upload from your photo library, even take a photo or video. I'm gonna just do a sample where I mix a couple of images and then a video. So just these 3 images, add those. Down here you can see that they're all added, and you can continue adding content. I'm gonna add one more video. Then you can edit the layers. You can rearrange them just by holding down and dragging them to a different order. To adjust the timing of the images, you can click this time icon and then select a certain image duration. You can either apply it to single image or apply it to all. So I'm gonna apply it all. So now all the images are 1.5 seconds, and then I have my video at the end. To trim the video, you can click this trim icon and then use the bars to drag down to the section you want. Click done. And then you also want to make sure that the size of this is 9:16. So that's the size of your phone, and this is the size, the vertical video size that Snapchat uses. Then just click Edit in Studio to add other elements. So in this top bar, you can see you can add text and edit text to change how it looks. You can add image overlays and then even audio and subtitles. I'm gonna add a sound from TikTok actually. So I'm gonna click audio. You can upload your own audio file or just paste the link to something, for example, to a TikTok or YouTube video, and it will only take the sound. So I'm gonna head to TikTok. So I'm just gonna use a sound I used on this video. Just copy the link to that TikTok video and then go back to Kapwing and paste it in the box. So you can see that it brings up the audio, and if we watch this video now, you can hear that it plays in the background. You can trim the audio and adjust the volume of all the clips and then click done when you're ready. Once you are ready to publish your video, just click export video. So once your video is done loading, you can download it. Just click download here, download again, and then it will be loading first to your files in the top right corner. To get it to your camera roll, just click that arrow and click the video, and then click the bottom left corner, and then click save video. So now that video should be in your camera roll. Now to get that video to Snapchat, just head to Snapchat, and then instead of recording the video in app, we're gonna just click the icon on the left to bring up your camera roll, click your most recently made video, and then click the top 3 dots and click edit video. And you see we're brought into the editor. There's the options on the side for adding text, whatever you want. And then when you're ready, click the arrow, click spotlight, add your topic, and then click send. Now your spotlight is on Snapchat, it's live, and you can now make money from it. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips and advice. Let us know what other videos you want to see in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.